Question number 1. Who has been elected as the 11th President of Asian Development Bank, ADB? Option A. Masato Kanda. Option B. Bhargav Das Gupta. Option C. Masatsugu Asukawa. Option D. Takehiko Nakao. Correct answer. Option A. Masato Kanda. Explanation. Masato Kanda was unanimously elected as Asian Development Bank 11th President and will take office on 24th February next year. Kanda, 59, has 40 years of experience in international finance and policy. He is currently Special Advisor to Japan's Prime Minister and Minister of Finance. He previously held roles such as Deputy Vice Minister for Policy Planning and Vice Minister of Finance for International Affairs. Kanda holds a Bachelor of Laws from the University of Tokyo and an M.Phil in Economics from Oxford University. His leadership in global forums like G7 and G20 highlights his focus on multilateral cooperation and addressing global challenges. Question number 2. Where was the All India Conference of Director Generals Inspector Generals of Police 2024 held? Option A. Hyderabad. Option B. New Delhi. Option C. Bhubaneswar. Option D. Chennai. Correct answer. Option C. Bhubaneswar. Explanation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended the All India Conference of Director Generals Inspectors Generals of Police 2024 in Bhubaneswar, Odisha. The three-day conference, from 29 November to 1 December, focused on national security issues like counter-terrorism, extremism, coastal security, new criminal laws, and narcotics. The President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service was awarded. The conference served as a platform for police professionals to discuss crime control, law and order, and internal security threats. It included yoga sessions, business sessions, and thematic dining tables for informal discussions. This was the 59th conference, continuing a tradition started in 2014. Question number 3. What is the name of the migratory bird that recently broke the record for the longest migratory flight to Rajasthan, India? Option A. Northern Shoveler. Option B. Greater Flamingo. Option C. Demoiselle crane. Option D. Blue throat. Correct answer. Option C. Demoiselle crane. Explanation. A Siberian demoiselle crane, Sukpak, set a record by migrating over 3,676 kilometers to Rajasthan, India. It is the smallest crane species, known for its solitary and social behavior. The bird holds cultural importance in India, where it is called Kunj or Kurja. Demoiselle cranes inhabit fields, steppes, deserts, and plains near water, breeding in Central Eurasia and wintering in India and Sub-Saharan Africa. Sukpak followed an unusual route through Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, and Pakistan to reach India. Conservation efforts include India's first demoiselle crane reserve at Kitchen, Rajasthan. Their conservation status is least concern, but they face threats like habitat loss and hunting. Question number 4. Nagra festival, which was seen in the news, is celebrated by which tribes? Option A. Forms. Option B. Konyak. Option C. Ringma. Option D. Sanctums. Correct answer. Option C. Ringma. Explanation. The Ringma Naga tribe celebrated the Nagra festival Kamini Hornbill Festival at the Tsemenu RSA ground in Nagaland. The Ringma Nagas are a Tibeto-Burman ethnic group living in Nagaland and Assam. As per the 2011 census, their population is 62,951 in Nagaland and around 22,000 in Assam. They identify as Najong or Injung and belong to the Mongoloid racial stock. They migrated from Southeast Asia through the Yunnan Mountains to Upper Burma before settling in Northeast India. Slavery was once practiced among them but had declined by the time the British arrived in the region. Question number 5. Girnar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Option A. Rajasthan. Option B. Uttarakhand. Option C. Madhya Pradesh. Option D. Gujarat. Correct answer. Option D. Gujarat. Explanation: the Earth observation (EO) from Girnar Wildlife Sanctuary showed an increase in settlements near the main temple area from 2000 to 2020. During the same period, dense forest in the sanctuary was significantly converted to open forest. Girnar Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Junagadh district, Gujarat, and spans the rugged Girnar Hills in the Saurashtra region. It was declared a wildlife sanctuary in 2008. The sanctuary is home to several endangered species, including the Asiatic lion.